Hi everybody. This video is just going to be a pour that I let dry and then I paint on it a little bit more, and I have decided to leave it the way it is at the end. Often I will paint something into the pour as well, like an owl or foxes or something, but I like it just how it is, and I think I'm just going to leave it. So I'm just going to let you watch the pour. And some of this I've sped up, so it's going to be a pretty fast video. The last part is time-lapse that I'm working on it, so quite fast. And then you'll see the finished product at the end. That's about all I can say. I hope you're having an awesome weekend, and thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot to mention, the white base paint is already down. Obviously now you can see that. And I don't really follow recipes or talk about recipes and show mixing and all that in any of my videos. My videos are just going to be to show you what I did, show you a pour and show you what I did with the pour. I'm not going to show mixing paints and things like that. So my white base paint was already down, my cup was already full, and I gently sort of dragged my palette knife through my cup just to sort of incorporate the cup or the colors together in my cup. Then I poured them on here, and I'm just kind of trying to work them all over the canvas at this point. So yeah, I'm sorry I don't follow recipes. I don't name my what I'm doing a particular type of acrylic pour for that particular video. I just don't do that. I feel like a lot of people way before YouTube world did a lot of videos or a lot of painting, and I feel like I think there's a lot of people that have done a lot of things but have not done a lot of videos. So in that respect for them, I feel like I just am going to put my paints as I put them, pour them on my canvas as I pour them, and that's all I'll say about that. So here I am. I'm just going to get some color across this canvas, and I work a little further on it after this, and then when it's dry I work a little further there. So I'll let you keep watching, and maybe I'll chime in a little bit at the end. But other than that, we're good to go here, and have an awesome weekend, and thanks for watching. Alright, so it's wet here as you can see, and I'm just going to leave it now for the evening and let it dry. It'll fade a little bit, I know that. And here we go, I'm going to work on it now that it's dry. And what I'm doing is just emphasizing a lot of the depth of the lines, and I'm just going to bring out some further color in the piece. So I'm finished, and this is the point where I usually decide I want to add something into the pour. Like, I mean, I've done pours this color before, and I added foxes into them. I just did one with a little polar bear and a penguin. But for this one, I contemplated doing another fox or a wolf. But I just really like the composition and the colors and the way the piece looks just on its own. Reminds me of gold veining in, like if you were panning for gold in a gold mine or something. So that's the feel that it is to me, so I didn't want to add any animals or wildlife. And so I'm going to leave it. So I hope you like it and that you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, try that with your pours when they're dried up and they look pretty faded. Go in with some glazing and extra colors, and it just makes the colors pop. You can add more colors, you can add more swipes, which is really cool. I do that a lot. But anyway, I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching. And take care, stay safe, and have a great week ahead. Thanks, bye-bye.